have Rohan doing Rubik's Cube magic.
Alright, hello, I'm Rohan, and I'm going to be doing some Rubik's Cube magic.
Give it a go.
I'm not here. Alright, hello, I'm Rohan, and I'm going to be doing some Rubik's Cube magic. So for my first trick, I'm going to mix up this cube. I'm not looking higher. Alright, we all agree it's mixed up, right? So I'm going to take a bag, and I'm going to put the cube inside the bag. And with a snap of my fingers, it's solved. But I know what you guys are probably thinking, that there's something else in the bag. Yes, I'm fine. Alright, so for my next trick, I'm going to solve this cube in a blink of an eye. I'm mixing it as much as I can. Are you guys ready? Alright, now my last trick is the best one, and I need a volunteer. So, anybody from... Okay.
He was really excited about that. Like, man, his hand shot up. All right, good sir, what's your name?
Malachi.
All right, everybody, this is Malachi. Here we go.
So, I first want you to mix this cube up.
Make it really difficult.
Alright, I'm gonna put it in the bag. That didn't work. But don't worry, I'm gonna do one better. Hold the cube, but don't turn it, but just cover the sides so I can't see it. Alright. And I'm gonna do something that's never been done before. I'm gonna find another solution for the Rubik's Cube. Alright, can I see your cube? So this is the cube that he just scrambled. And what I did is I matched his scramble that he just did. So one side is the same, two sides are the same, three sides are one side. All sides are the same.
Thank you, Malachi.
That's it for mine.
Okay, so one quick question, Rohan. What got you into magic?
So originally I liked solving Rubik's Cubes, and I saw many people online and on TV like performing Rubik's Cube magic tricks, and I thought that I could also do it, and I found out like the tricks, and I was able to do it.
That's really cool. You did amazing. Let's see what the judges have to say.
Hello? Wow. I think I was just wondering, maybe you just need to go straight to Harvard. That was really cool. I didn't believe in magic, but I know you crumpled that bag up, and I just don't know how you did that, so it must
Thank
be
you.
real. Good job.
Yeah.